Hello fellow fun spotters, this is Ivy. This week I have reminders for all the fun things coming up, plus we have a bonus item of something new on property. New product alert at Fun Spot Orlando, we have Italian ice. This is a great way to beat the heat because as we all know, in September it is still summer in Florida. There are several different flavors. Our favorite is rainbow. Tell us which one you like best. September 26th and 27th, we have our first ever drone racing on the Thrasher and the Conquest track. Come see what all the hype is about. This Sunday, the 23rd, also is the kickoff of our family paint night again. It is back, it is in the Orlando Sky Diner. We are doing a really cool Ferris wheel themed painting, and you can purchase tickets in person the day of or at paintnight.com. As you can see, Fun Spot is super busy getting ready for the St. Jude 5K walk, which is tomorrow. You can get here as early as 7 o'clock and the race actually starts at 8:30. Again, it's not too late to sign up. Check our website. Which brings me to another point. On the 27th, right here in the Orlando parking lot, OPD is hosting their Taste of iDrive free event, tons of free food and giveaways, so come out and see what it's all about. Thanks for watching, and as always, remember that your all-time everyday best deal is always at fun-spot.com. See you next week.